welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Kitija and I own a small jewelry business, and in this channel I show you all different types of beaded jewelry that I make. Just sometimes I make something from the shop, sometimes I make something random, and now in this video I'm going to be making the second earring for this. And this is sort of like one of the Christmas edition jewelry pieces that I am making. It's really easy and it's really cute. I started working with the thread instead of the fishing line, so that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. So everything that I use I will link in description box. The thread that I'm using is this one. Then I have a beading needle. It just looks like this. It has like a big hole there. Then I have two different beads. These ones are Miyuki's 11/0 and these ones are just random ones that I found at home, but I will try and link this similar ones in description box. Then I have one jump ring because obviously I'm only going to make one earring now, and then I have that earring part. I'm going to use some wire. This one is 0.3 millimeter. Then I have scissors, and then I have different pliers, and obviously a mat. First thing, I'm going to take about 50 centimeters of the thread and just put it in the needle. It's very easy to do so because it has like a really big hole there, like so. And now I am going to start beading. So I'm going to take 6 green beads. You don't need to use the same beads. I am just going to refer to them in colors just so it's easier for me to explain. So I'm putting 6 beads on. And just let them go down, but like hold them so they don't fall off from the other end. And now I'm just gonna tie the two ends so I make like a circle, and I will tie it like 3 times. And now we are taking one red bead, one green bead, one red bead, one green bead, and one more red bead, like this. We just go through one of the green beads, like so. And now I take one red bead, one green bead, one red bead, and one green bead, like so. And then this is how it looks. And now we take the needle and we go through this red bead and the green bead and the next green bead, like so. And when we pull it, this is how it looks. And now we do the same thing. I take one red bead, one green, one more red, and another green, like so. And now again we go through the red bead and then the green and the next green. This is how it looks now. And now I'm doing again red, green, red and green, like so. And now I'm putting through the red bead, green, and the next green, like so. This is how it looks. And again, red bead, green bead, red bead, and green bead. Going through the red, green, and another green. And now we need to go through the red bead here, because we need to connect these two. So we go through the red bead, then we take one green bead, one red, and another green. And now we're gonna go through this green bead. Like so. And now we need to do these parts here. So what we're gonna do is go through the green bead, then up to the red, and one of the green ones, like so. So now we are just here on the top, and now we're just gonna put 3 green beads on. Like so. And now I want to go through this green bead and the next green bead. So we just kind of like make a circle like this. And then we go through the red bead again, then the green one, and then the next green, like so. Put on 3 green beads, like so, and then again go through the green and the second green bead, like so. And now we go through the red, green, green, like this, and then 3 green beads on, then we go through the green and the second, like so, then through the red, green, and green. And you do that until you have gone through like all of the gaps. Like so. So now I just need to get the string down in the middle so we can tie it up. And the way I'm gonna do it, I'm just gonna put, I have the string here, I'm gonna put through the red bead, one of the green ones, then again Then again through the red bead, sort of like so it goes down like so. And now I need to just put it on the other side. And now we just need to find where the other end of the string is. Got one green bead in between, put it through. So the strings are next to each other, like so. And now I'm just going to tie them down and then cut off the loose ends. Like so. And now we need to do this part. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the jump ring, open it up. This one is 5mm jump ring. And then I'm going to take one of the green beads, and I'm just going to put the jump ring through. Like so. And close it. Like so. And you don't even need to make that part if you don't want to. And now I'm going to take a little bit of wire. Literally I took like, I don't know, 15 something centimeters. I'm going to take my round nose pliers and just bend them back around like a loop. Put the jump ring on. You can use a thicker wire as well if you want. It's just the first one I grabbed, to be honest. And now I'm just going to wrap the end around the wire. Yeah, if you use thicker one, this part is going to be much easier, because this one is just so thin. And I wrap it around like 3 times. And then you just cut off the loose end. Like so, and we just need to hide that sharp end. Like so. And now I'm going to put one green bead, one red bead, and one more green bead. Like so. And now I take the round nose pliers again, and I'm going to make a loop. Like so. Put the earring on. And now wrap the wire. And here you go. These are your Christmas earrings done. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I do upload videos every week, actually twice a week now. So I will see you next time. Bye.